Do you want to know how to submit a 15G or 15H form? This is how you can do it. Open Quick Mobile app. Click on Service. Click on 15G or 15H. Fill the necessary summary, enable the 15G form and click on Submit. Click on Yes to continue the process. You will receive an OTP. Enter it and click on Submit. Congratulations! You have successfully submitted the form. To download the PDF, click on Download 15G or 15H form. To download the PDF, click on Yes. Congratulations! You have successfully saved the PDF. To ease up your banking needs, download Quick Mobile app. Available on Android and iOS.